Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math.
Class 9th polynomials exercise 4.5. So we are moving on to the next question, question number 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. So here we have to expand using suitable identities. Let us go for, here in this question we have 6 sub questions. So let us discuss one by one. So it is first sub question. And these are all related to the identity, that is x plus y plus z whole square, right? So we know x plus y whole square or x minus b whole square, x square minus y square. Now we are taking the fourth identity, what we learned, the fourth identity, that is x plus y plus z whole square, x plus y plus z whole square, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, using that identity we are going to solve this question. So let us start. So now here first all in the place of x, y and z. Okay, so here in the place of x we have x only, in the place of y we have 2y, 4z. Okay, in the place of x we have x, in the place of y we have 2y, in the place of z we have 4z. Now let us take the formula which is here we are using, that is we are taking x plus y plus z whole square. What is the formula? X plus y plus z whole square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, this is the formula we are using in this question. So this is the identity. Okay, so now let us substitute these values. In the place of x we have x, in the place of y we have 2y, in the place of z we have 4z. So let us substitute here. So here we have x plus 2y plus 4z square is equal to x square. It is x square only because x only. But in the place of y we have 2y whole square, 2y whole square. Plus in the place of z we have 4z whole square, 4z whole square, plus 2 into, what is x? X only. What is y? 2y. Okay, plus 2yz, 2yz, 2 into, what is y? 2y. What is z? 4z. So when you are writing, be careful. Then 2zx, 2, what is zx? 4z. Plus x, it is x only. Now let us simplify this. X square is x square. 2y square. 2 square is 4. 4y square. 4 square is this 16z square. When you are squaring, be careful. So 4 square it is 16z square. Now here you have to multiply along with the sign. All are plus right here. So plus as it is. Multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4xy. Okay, 4xy. Plus multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So 16yz. 16yz. The final it is 2 4s are 8. 8zx. So this is the expansion form of the given question. It is very simple. First you write what is the value of x and y and z. So in the place of x we have x only. In the place of y we have 2y. In the place of z we have 4z. That means in this identity you have to substitute these values and simplify them. Finally you will get the expanded form of the given question. Okay, so now let's move on to the sub question 2. So here also let us start writing. So in the place of x we have 2x, in the place of y we have minus y. You should have observed here. In the place of z we have z only. So this can be, if you compare this, 2x plus of minus y plus z whole square. It is like this. Look here, x plus y plus z whole square, x plus y plus z whole square. So in the place of x we have 2x, in the place of y we have minus y, in the place of z we have z. So which identity we are using here? So x plus y plus z whole square, that is x square, y square, z square, 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, zx. Now let us substitute this. So what is our question? 2x minus y plus z whole square, right? So x, in the place of x we have 2x whole square, right? In the place of y we have minus y whole square, plus in the place of z we have z only, so z square, plus 2 into xy. So in the place of x we have 2x, In the place of y, we have minus y. So now let's go for 2yz. So to what is y? Minus y. What is z? Z itself. Then plus this one, 2zx. So z is it is z only. So in the place of x, we have to take 2x. Now let us simplify this. 2x whole square. 2x whole square. 2 square it is 4x square. Plus, you know that if you square the negative numbers also, it becomes positive, right? So it is nothing but minus 1 square. Minus 1 square, it becomes plus 1. So it is y square only. So z square as it is. Now first you have to multiply the sign. Look here, plus into plus, plus into minus, you have minus here. So it is minus. Now multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4. So 4xy. Okay. Then again you have to multiply the sign. So here plus, right? So sign, plus into minus, minus. Multiply the numbers. Only you have 2. So 2yz. Okay. Again you have plus only, so finally you will get plus. 2 2s are 4zx. So this is the expansion form of the given question. Here this is very simple. The question number 4 is related to the x plus y plus z whole square identity. Takes x, y, z which are the given and substitute it, simplify it, you will get the expanded form of the given question. So let's move on to the sub question 3. So sub question 3 we have minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z. Here also first you write x is equal to minus 2x, y is equal to 3y, z is equal to 2z, z is equal to 2z. So now let's start. What is the formula? X plus y plus z formula or identity, you can take it as x square y square z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Every time try to write all the identity which is you are using here. Then now let us substitute. Here we are using minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Now in the place of x we have to consider minus 2x whole square. Okay. Plus in the y we have 3y. So 3y whole square. Plus in z we have 2z whole square. Don't take it as minus 2x square. Here you have to take whole square. So then plus 2xy. 2, what is x? Minus 2x. What is y? 3y. Okay. Plus 2yz. 2, y it is 3y. Z it is 2z. Then 2zx plus 2. What is z? 2z. What is the x? Minus 2x. Now let us simplify this. Minus 2x whole square. Negative numbers if we square it becomes positive, right? Minus 2 whole square it becomes 4x square plus 3 square it is 9y square. Again 2z square it is 4z square. Now it is you have to be very careful. So plus into minus, minus. Now multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12xy. Okay. Then here all are plus. So plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12yz, 12yz. Okay. Then plus into minus. Here you have minus. So plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8zx. So this is the solution. So what is 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8zx is the solution or expanded form of the given question. Okay, when you are simplifying, be careful, substitute carefully and square them and interchange the sign and expand it. Okay, so let's move on to the fourth sub. Here we have ABC. Instead of x, y, z, we have ABC. Let's write now. In the place of x, we have 3a. In the place of y, we have minus 7b. You have to consider negative. In the place of z, we have minus c. Okay, now let us write the formula. What is the formula? X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so zx. So now let us substitute. Here we have 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. In the place of x, what we have? 3a. So 3a whole square, not 3a square. It is whole square you have to write. Plus, what is in the place of y? We have minus 7b whole square. Okay, c. Plus of minus c whole square. Okay, then plus 2xy. 2. What is x? 3a. What is y? Minus 7b. Okay, then plus 2yz, 2. What is y? Minus 7b. What is z? Minus c. Plus 2zx, 2. What is z? Minus c. What is x? 3a. Okay, now let us multiply them. So here what you will get? 3a whole square, 3a whole square, 3 square it is 9a square. Plus, as I told you, negative square also it becomes positive. Minus 7 square, 7 sevens are 49. So 49b square. Again, minus c whole square, that means 1 square, minus 1 square it is plus. So plus c square. Now you have to be careful when multiplying the sign. Plus into minus, you have 1 minus here. So plus into minus, minus. Now multiply the numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42ab, 42ab. Now plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, you have 2 minus here, okay. So plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus 2 7s are 14, so 14 BC. Again plus into minus, minus, 2 3s are 6 CA. So this is the expansion form, that is 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 42ab plus 14bc minus 6a. This is sub question 4. So now sub question 5. Also the same method you follow, that is x is equal to minus 2x, y is equal to 5y, z is equal to minus 3z. This is the simplest way, okay. So now let us write the formula. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, okay, 2zx. So now let us substitute now. So now we have minus 2x plus y minus 3z whole square. So in the place of x we have minus 2x whole square. In the place of y we have 5y whole square. In the place of z we have minus 3z whole square. Now first go for 2xy. So plus, what is x? Minus 2x. What is y? 5y. Okay. Now plus 2yz. So 2. What is y? 5y. When you are substituting, be careful. Take these values. Next, what is z? Minus 3z. Okay. Plus 2zx. Z means minus 3z. X means minus 2x. Okay. Now let us simplify. Negative square becomes positive. 2 square it is 4. X square. 5 square. 5 5s are 25. So 25 y square. Minus 3 square it is 9 z square. Now be careful with sign. So plus into minus, we don't have another minus, so only one minus, plus into minus, minus. Now multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20xy. Okay, now let's come to here. Here also we have only one minus, plus into minus, minus. 2 5s are, here observe, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, so 30yz. Then plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus we have. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12zx. So this is the expansion form of the given question. Just first write x value, y value, z value, then substitute it. When you are making square, be careful. 2 square 4, 5 square 25, 3 minus 3 square also it is plus only. Here when you are multiplying, be careful with multiplying. Then first multiply the sign, then multiply the numbers, then write it as x, y, y, z and zx. Okay. Next you go for last sub question in this question in the form of fraction here. So let us write x is equal to 1 by 4a. We have 1 by 4a. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2b. Z is equal to 1 we have. Okay. So here also always write x, y, z separately. Now let us take the identity. What is identity? X plus y plus z. I am telling you, every time you mention the identity, it makes you to practice very well. So okay. So x square, y square, z square, 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, now let us substitute now. In the place of x we have minus 1 by 4a. In the place of y we have minus 1 by 2b. In the place of z we have 1 square. Now here let us substitute. What is x? 1 by 4a whole square. Okay, when you multiply, be careful. Plus y it is minus 1 by 2b whole square. Z square is 1 square. Okay, plus 2 into what is the x? Again 1 by 4a. What is y? Minus 1 by 2b plus 2yz. So 2, what is y? Minus 1 by 2b. What is z? 1. Again plus 2zx. 2, what is z? 1. X it is 1 by 4a. Okay, now let us simplify this. So as I all know, 1 by 4 a square means you have to multiply both 1 and 4. Okay, so 1 square it is 1, 4 square it is 16. So a square, 1 by 16 a square. Negative square also it becomes positive. So minus 1 square it is 1, 2 square it is 4 b square. Observe carefully, 1 square 1, 4 square 16, a square. Minus 1 square 1, 2 square 4, b square. Plus 1 square it is 1. Now let's go for here. So here, if there are multiplication, right, you can cancel easily. Look here, 2 cancelled. Okay, one is numerator, one is denominator. Cancel it. Remaining, first multiply the sign, plus into minus, minus. Here what you have? 1 into, so 1 by 4 AB. So remaining is 1 by 4 AB. And then come here. Again plus into minus, minus. 2 cancel. Observe here. 2 cancel. So plus into minus, minus. B into 1 you have B. Then come here. You don't have any sign here. So make it as plus. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Observe 2 ones are 2 twos are. So remaining will be 1 by 2a. Okay, this is the expansion form of last sub question. Here be careful, you have fraction type like 1 by 4. So 1 square 1, 4 square 16. 1 square minus 1 square 1, 2 square 4. 1 square is 1. Here you can cancel it. 2 cancel. 1 by 4 AB plus into minus, minus. So 1 by 4 AB. But you come here 2 cancel. You have only the B plus into minus, minus B into 1 B. Okay. You don't have any sign here. So plus 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 1 by 2 A. So this is the sub question 6 in your question number 4 in your exercise 4.5.
For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.